How to change to latest tweet on Twitter. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily change to latest tweet on your Twitter app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Twitter app, and then once you're in your Twitter app, by default it is not in the latest tweet order. So now to change it to latest tweet order on your Twitter app, you just have to here tap on this star icon here in the top right corner. Then here you will see your timeline is set to home. Switch to latest tweets and view content preferences. So here in view content preferences, here you will see all of the explore and other options. So we want to change our tweet to latest tweet, so here tap on latest tweet and wait for a few seconds, and you're seeing latest tweet as they happen. So now it is changed to latest tweet on your Twitter app. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching.